So today we'll talk about Userenv function. It's a unique function which returns session specific information. So whatever the kind of information you want, you have to pass it as a function parameter. So in the below table you can see the parameters and what kind of information it needs, like client info, entry ID, instance, is DBA, language, session ID, and terminal. So these are the parameters you can pass. So before that, let's see a sample example. So I am opening SQL Plus and I am using sys as sysdba to show you a specific parameter. So let's take a small example. If I'm writing select user env, if I want session ID, then I need to pass session ID inside single quote for that user env function from dual. So here session ID, all the parameters are case insensitive. That means you can pass in small case or uppercase. So see, you can see the session ID. So this is how you are supposed to use the user env function. So if you want to use it inside PLSQL block, you need to write select user env, the parameter name into a function and from dual. So this is how to use in the PLSQL. So these are all parameters available like client info, entry ID, instance, blah blah blah. So let's take an example of isDBA. So what isDBA does? IsDBA shows you if the current session is having the DBA privileges or not. See, as I logged in as sysdba, it is showing me user privilege as true. But if I connect Scott Tiger and if I execute the same command, it shows me false. Let's see another example of a parameter. For example, if I'm writing, if I want to see what is the character set or what is the language I am using for the session, so I'll say language. So it shows me the language territory dot character set. Hmm, Another example we can use here, like client info. So for the client info, it returns the user session information, which is being stored using a package dbms underscore application underscore info. If you are setting the session information using this package, then only you can see it using client info parameter. So let's set it. So this is how you are supposed to set. So I'm saying the client information I'm setting for the session is sample session. Successfully completed. Then I'll say userenv userenv client underscore info. See, it shows me sample session. So this user env function can be used from 8i onwards, 8i, 9, 10g, 11g, 12, on all the environments you can use them. So that's that. See you in the next session.